Going to show action words. Action words. Present action word and past action word. Regular verbs. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Start.
Jump, jumped, look, looked, play, played, joined, joined.
Very good. Once again.
Jump, jumped, looked, play, played, joined.
Very good. Okay, now I say a word. You have to stand up and show the word, both present action word and past action word. Okay? Look. What is your word? Look. Looked. Very good. Sit down. Join. What is your word? Joined. Join. Very good. Jump. Speak out. What is your word? Jump. Jumped. Very good. Play. What is your word? Play. Played. What is your word? Played. Okay? Very good. Sit down. Now, children, I will call you. You have to come here and say and read out your word and go. Okay? Both combination of words. You have to come here with present action word and past action word. Okay? Come on. Jump. Okay. Jumped. Good. Look. What is past action? Looked. Very good. Play. What is past action? Played. Good. Join. What is past action? Joined. Very good.